Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics ready. Update Instagram on both phones, sign in as the parent, and open Settings, then tap Family Center. Once done, have your child's username and device at hand so you can send a supervision invite immediately. Make sure you understand why linking matters. It gives you supervised access rather than full control, preserving trust while enabling safety. Don't waste time. Send the invite now, and ask your child to accept so you can continue configuring limits together. Once the accounts are linked, tap the child's profile inside Family Center and choose the supervision options you need. You'll set daily screen time limits, enable message filters to reduce unwanted content, and adjust content sensitivity, so harmful posts are less likely to appear. Make sure to review follower approvals and direct message controls. These let you require permission for new contacts. Also, toggle search restrictions when necessary. Take your time here. These middle steps shape a safer to finish, confirm every setting and save changes, then run a quick live test with your child. Send a message or try a time-limited session, so you both see how controls behave. Once saved, monitor activity from Family Center and adjust limits over time as your child grows. If linking or supervision fails, first check both apps are updated, confirm the child accepted the invite, and ensure a stable network. If that doesn't work, relaunch Instagram and retry the invite process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.